Ultra-quiet design. The reliable and durable motor does not produce much noise, giving you quiet environment. This submersible pump is designed for small to medium-size aquarium, fish tank, pond, tabletop fountains, water gardens and hydroponic systems. Adjustable flow rate. Designed with a adjusting knob, allowing to adjust the water flow rate, the maximal flow rate can be up to 95 GPH. It can elevate column of water up to 3.0 featuring Detachable Cleanable. No need any tools to detach it, easy to separate, easy to clean. Small size. The small size makes the pump easy to hide or disguise in the water. Dimensions: 1.8 by 1.8 by 1.4 inch. Package. Pump X21 tubing, equipped with a 0.3 diameters nozzle, and a 3.3 feet free tubing come with the package. Top reviews from the United States. Using it for outdoor fountain. One pump has been in use in our outdoor fountain for a couple of months. I have removed it once for cleaning, which was no problem. Thus far, the performance has been exactly what we needed. While we have made an effort to maintain the water level, it went too low once due to hot, windy weather and the pump stopped. It started up again as soon as the fountain was refilled. The second pump is still in the box, in reserve. Cheap at the price.